What's up, guys? Here I'm gonna show you how to make some shaving lather with the lather time machine. Just follow these simple directions. Yeah, with this one you're gonna do 4 to 2, 4 ounces of lather, 2 ounces of the cleaner. This here you gotta fill it up to 2 ounces. Measuring cup, and we can get directly what you need. No more, no less. Pour in a 1 gallon jug. Pour about a cup out. That way you don't overfill it. Here's the actual shaving lather. You can fill that up to 4 ounces. Like I said, nothing more, nothing less. Let's give you the right consistency. And just pour that in a water gallon as well. Yeah, as soon as you're done with that, you're gonna go ahead and just put the cap back on there and shake it all up. Let it mix really well. Shake it a few times. Make sure everything gets evenly mixed. You see it bubble up like that, and you know you did okay. Yeah, I'm just showing you the tools that I used: the mix, the lather cream. Campbell's. And right here I'm just filling it up in the lather time hot lather machine. Right there is a fill line, right where I got it. You don't want to go any more than that. You don't want to overfill it. Here I'm just showing you what it looks like after it comes out. The consistency. See, it's nice and smooth, not too watery, not too airy. Not too thick where it'll tend to dry out. Here's another representation. This is the way you want your lather cream to look. That way you can evenly disperse it around the face. If it's too watery, then it won't do the job. It'll just feel like water's on there. But yep, that's how you do it. Hope you guys liked it. Take care. Oh, and don't forget to like and subscribe to my YouTube channel. I'll be bringing out more videos like this, tutorials and stuff. Take care, guys.